Guys, if your radiators are looking like this and you need to bring them back to life, then follow these steps. Make sure the surroundings of the radiator is covered up. Grab yourself radiator spray paint. I normally go for the satin white, but gloss is available too. They normally cost around £10. Make sure the radiator is clean and dry. Rub it down with abrasive paper. Make sure the radiators are turned off and cold. Give the can a good shake in between spraying. Apply even coats of paint. When touch dry, apply further coats. Keep your windows open and wear an N95 respirator mask, as this paint spray gives out high fumes. Now when spraying for the first time, don't be afraid, just evenly apply it all over the radiator. Practice makes perfect, guys. You can use multi-surface paint or any other which is suitable for radiators. That can be applied using a brush or a sprayer. If you notice any drips, that means you're overspraying. Just let it dry out, chip it off or sand it, and then apply paint again. Check that out, guys, looks like brand new again. Can be used on pipes too. One can got me through one radiator which was 140 cm wide. That's if you're doing 3 coats. You can easily see the difference from here. So guys, instead of replacing your radiator, give it some life and paint it. Take care, peace.